Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with the 2023 LDV V80 stock number 6631. This ran from the first 2016 to the current shape. Here's a SV6C 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 6VSC 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front door mirror, left rear door 1 dent and scrape, left rear 16-inch factory aluminium tyre, left hand door 1 dent, left rear door 1 dent, left hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory aluminium tyre, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 16-inch factory aluminium tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, instrument cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel,